Hello children, welcome back to the online maths class at BMS School at Home. Children, in today's class we are going to revise the following topics. They are addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, now let us revise all the topics with examples.
Children, please open page number 37 in your maths book. Please open page number 37 in your maths book. Okay. So the first question, choose the correct option. Okay. So what is the sum of 32 plus 6 plus 18? Okay. What is the sum of 32 plus 6 plus 18? Okay. So children, to find the answer for this, you have to add these three numbers and find the answer. Okay. 32, 18 and 6. Okay. So 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. So write 6 to this one's place and carry over 1 to this tens place. Okay. Now add the values in the tens place. Okay. So 1 plus 3 plus 1, 5. Okay. So the answer is 56. Okay. So the sum of 32 plus 6 plus 18, the answer is 56. Okay. Option C. The next question, 1000 more than 3215 is. 1000 more than 3215 is dash. Okay. So what do you want to do ma here? Yes, you have to add 1000 to this number. Okay. So 3215 plus 1000. Okay. Now add these two numbers. 5 plus 0, the answer is 5. Then 1 plus 0, the answer is 1. 2 plus 0, the answer is 2. Then 3 plus 1, the answer is 4. So the answer is 4215. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, 4215. Then next question, the sum of 99 and 98 is a dash number. So first we have to add these two numbers and we have to check the answer whether the result is 2-digit number, 3-digit number or 4-digit number. Okay. Now let's add these two numbers and find the answer. Okay, 99 and 98. 99, 98. Add these two numbers. Yes. 9 plus 8. The answer is 17. So write 7 to this one's place and carry over 1 to this tens place. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. So the answer is 197. This 197 is 3-digit number because it has 3 values. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. So the sum of 99 and 98 is a 3-digit number. Okay. The sum of 99 and 98 is a 3-digit number. Option B is the correct answer. Now the next question, what is the double of 49? Okay, double means, what is double ma? Yes, we have to add the same number again. Okay, double means we have to add the same number again and find the answer. Okay, so 14, sum of 49. Okay, so 49 plus 49. Okay. Now first we have to add the values in the ones place. So 9 plus 9 gives us 18. So write 8 to this ones place and carry over 1 to this tens place. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 98. Okay. So the double of 49 is 98. Okay. The double of 49 is 98. Option A is the correct answer. Children, now please open page number 53. Okay, that is the subtraction book bag exercise, page number 53. Choose the correct option. First question, the difference between 8000 and 200. Okay, that means subtract these two numbers, 8000 and 200. Okay, so 8000 and 200. Okay, subtract these two numbers. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, and 0 minus 2, we can't able to subtract 2 from 0. So we have to borrow 1 from here. So here we can get 10 and here we can get 7. Okay, now 10 minus 2, the answer is 8. Now 7 minus 0, the answer is 7. So the answer is 7800. Okay, so the difference between 8000 and 200 is 7800. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, the next question, a photocopying shop bought 9500 sheets of paper. Of these, 5679 sheets were used in a week. How many sheets are left? Okay, so here the subtraction keyword is left. We have to subtract the 5679 from 9500. So we can find out how many sheets are left. Okay, so first we have to write the bigger number. The bigger number is 9500. Next, subtract the smaller number, that is 5679. Okay, subtract these two numbers. We can't able to subtract the 9 from 0, so we have to borrow it from the tens place. The tens place value is also 0, so we have to borrow it from this 100 place. Okay, so here we can get 4 and here we can get 10, but again here in the ones place the value is 0, so we have to borrow it from tens place. So if you are borrowing, here we can get 9 and here we can get 10. Okay, now 10, subtract the digits in the ones place. 10 minus 9, the answer is 1, and subtract the digits in the tens place. 9 minus 7, the answer is 2. Okay, now subtract the values in the 100 place. We can't able to subtract 6 from 4, so we have to borrow it from this 1 from 1000 place. Okay, so here we can get 14 and here we can get 8. Okay, now subtract the values in the 100 place. So 14 minus 6, the answer is 8, and 8 minus 5, the answer is 3. Okay, so children, the result is 3821 sheets are left. Okay, 3821. The correct option is option A. Okay, then third question, 6000 minus 5720 is dash. We have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, so first one, 6000. Okay, 6000, this is 4-digit number, so it has 4 values. Then 5720, 1000. Okay, 5000, this is also 4-digit number, so 5720. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. So 0 minus 0, 0. Now we can't do subtract 2 from 0. So at this situation, what do you want to do? Yes, we have to borrow 1 from this 100 place, but again the 100 place value is 0. So we have to borrow it from this 1 from 1000 place. Okay, so here you can get 5 and here we can get 10 and here again the value is 0, so we have to borrow it from this 100 place. So here we can get 9 and here we can get 10. Okay, now subtract. 10 minus 2, 8. Then 9 minus 7, 2. Then 5 minus 5, 0. But 0 has no values in the highest place. So the answer is 280. Okay. Here option D is the correct answer. Okay. Option D is the correct answer, 280. Now let's move to next question. What is the correct way of finding the difference of 1453 and 345? Okay, so children, first find out which number has the highest place value. Okay, count it. This one 1, tens and 100. This one 1, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, so 1453 is the greatest number. Okay, so you have to first write this number 1453. So these three options, first the highest number is written. Okay, 1453. This now check the symbol. Okay, here they are asking the difference. So what is the symbol for this subtraction? Minus, isn't it? So check this first option. Yes, minus is here. Second option also the minus is here. And check this fourth option. Here the symbol is plus. So we understood this is not also a correct answer. Now the options are A and B. Either the option A is correct or option B. Then next we want to check the 345. Okay, whether the 345 has 3 digits. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds place value. Check here the option A, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so this is correct, but here they wrote tens, hundred and thousands. Okay, so this is wrong. So the correct way of finding the difference of 1453 and 345 is like this. The option A is correct answer. Now children, please open page number 71. Okay, choose the correct option. This is multiplication. These all are multiplication. Okay, so the first one 11 by 10 by 10. Okay, so multiply these two numbers. These three numbers 11 multiply by 10 and 10. Okay, we already studied. The multiplier is 0 means what we have to do? Yes, first we have to write the number 11. Then next how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. Okay, so simply write, add 2 zeros to this ones and tens place of the product. Okay ma? Okay, so the answer is 1100. Okay, so here the option B is the correct answer. The next question, what is the product of greatest 2-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number? Okay, product. So children, what is the greatest 2-digit number? Yes, 99. Okay, the 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. And which number is the smallest 2-digit number? That is 10. Okay, multiply by 10. Now if the multiplier is 0, if the multiplier has 0, means what we want to do? Yes, first multiply this 99 by 1. So 99 by 1, the answer is 99. Then how many zeros are here? Only 1. So write 0 to this one's place of the product. So the answer is 990. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Okay, then next, on the occasion of her birthday, Asha gave 10 toffees to each student of her class and kept 5 for herself. If there are 32 students in Asha's class, how many toffees did she distribute? Okay, so children, in Asha distribute 10 toffees to each students. Okay, then how many students are in Asha's class? 32 students. Okay, so we have, if you find how many toffees she distribute, to multiply these two numbers. Okay, that means 32 by 10. So we can find out the total number of toffees she distributed in her class. Okay, this is the multiplication by 10. Okay, so what do we want to do in this situation, ma? Yes, first we have to multiply this 32 by 1. So 132s are 32. Okay, then next, how many zeros are here? Only one, so we have to write this 0 to this one's place of this product. Okay, so the answer is 320. So how many, so what is the total number of toffees she distributed in her class? Yes, 320. So here the option A is the correct answer. Okay. Then fourth one, the product of 896 and 0. The product of 896 and 0. Children, we already studied the product of any number and 0 is 0. So if you are multiply any number by 0, the answer is 0. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, ma? So children, please finish this book bag exercise. That means this these all are multiplication and addition, subtraction also. Okay, so please finish this. We will check answer in this coming class. Okay, ma? Now let's learn one more questions related to addition, subtraction and multiplications. Okay.
Okay children, now let's learn some filling the blanks related to addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay. So the first one, the numbers that are added are called addends and the result is called sum. So this belongs to addition. Okay. The numbers that are added are called addends and the result is called sum. When 0 is added to any number, we get the same number as a sum. When 0 is added to any number, we get the same number as a sum. Okay. If 0 is added to 46, okay, 0 plus 46, we get the 46 as answer. Okay. Now the third question, this is related to subtraction. Okay. When a number is subtracted from another number, the result is called the difference. Okay. When a number is subtracted from another number, the result is called the difference. And fourth question, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. That means if the number 5 is subtracted from itself, so 5 minus 5, the answer is 0. Okay. So when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. If we subtract the same number, we get the 0 as answer. Okay, children? Then fifth question. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the same number. Okay. So this one is same as addition. See here, when 0 is added to any number. When the 0 is added or subtracted from any number, the difference is same number. Okay. Like this. 46 minus 0. So the answer is 46. Okay. Then sixth question. The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. Okay. So these all are belongs to multiplication. Okay, ma? The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. Seventh question, the number by which we multiply is called multiplier. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. Okay. Then multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, multiplication is repeated addition. Ninth question, multiplying any number by 0 always gives 0. Multiplying any number by 0 always gives 0. For example, 0 by 10. The answer is 0. Okay. Then 10th question, multiplying any number by 1 always gives the same number itself. Multiplying any number by 1 always gives the same number itself. For example, 1 tens are 10. Okay, 1 tens are 10. Okay, children. Then 11th question, when a number is multiplied by another number, the result is called the product. When a number is multiplied by another number, the result is called the product. Okay. So once again, I am reading this. Listen carefully. Okay. The numbers that are added are called addends, and the result is called sum. When 0 is added to any number, we get the same number as a sum. When a number is subtracted from another number, the result is called the difference. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the same number. The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. So multiplication is the repeated addition. Multiplying any number by 0 always gives 0. Multiplying any number by 1 always gives the same number itself. When a number is multiplied by another number, the result is called the product. Okay, children. So children, in today's class we revised the addition, subtraction and multiplication book back exercise. Okay, and also we learned the filling the blanks related to addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, children, this is the end of today's class. Bye and happy learning.